Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to show playing media notifications on Google Chrome, ensuring you never miss a beat when enjoying your favorite audio or video content. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to accessing all your favorite websites and media. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots. Click on them. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize many aspects of your browsing experience. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down and find the Notifications option. Click on it to manage how Chrome handles notifications. Now, you'll want to navigate to the section specifically for playing media. This area allows you to control notifications related to any media currently playing in your browser. Here's where the magic happens. Enable Show Notifications. By toggling this option on, you allow Chrome to display notifications whenever media is playing. This means you'll see alerts for music or videos, making it easy to control playback without constantly switching tabs. After enabling this feature, it's a good idea to test it out. Play some media on a website and watch for the notification to pop up. This notification will typically show the title of the media and provide controls like play and pause right from your notification tray. Remember, managing these settings can enhance your browsing experience significantly. Whether you're listening to music while working or watching videos, having notifications ensures you stay informed without interrupting your flow. Thank you for joining me today. Now you know how to show playing media notifications on Google Chrome. Enjoy your browsing experience with these handy notifications that keep you connected to your media at all times.